there! We've got the Lovery Advent for 2025. Let's see what's inside. I hear it's like a spa in a box. Our price was $75, so in order to recoup that, each item needs to be $3.13. We start off with a candle in the scent Tea Tree. I think that's supposed to be good for the mind, to help clear the mind. It has a good scent up close and personal. It's a little bit overpowering, but across the room under the candle warmer, I think it will be less of a overpowering scent. Nice idea. Would I give you $3.13 for this? Yes, I would. Next up is a Lily Dreams perfume. Not my favorite scent, yet this is a decent size at 10 milliliters. This is a decent size item. $3.13? Yeah, I'd give you $3.13. I don't care for the scent, but in general, yeah. Next up is a pair of socks. Hey, how neat is that? And they feel soft and comfortable. I'm guessing it's some type of a cotton polyester spandex blend of sorts. Has a little marking at the top as I drop things. And they look like they are probably going to be of the length that they fit right at your ankle. So maybe a little short for winter time. Then again, we have been known to get hot weather here in Southern California at winter time. Not bad. If anything, layer them with another pair of socks. Would I give you $3.13? Yes, I would. Could use these year round. I mean, red doesn't have to be just the holidays. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Yep. Oh, seriously? It's too small. I can't even see my own snoot. Well, I know it's a filler item, yet I do like these in the bath. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Would I give you $3.13 for any of those? Nope. Okay, a washcloth. That's a new one. I would not give you $3.13 for this. Obviously, we've hit the filler section. I don't think I'd even give you the $13. Okay, this is more on track. This is a body butter. And I'm going to say, it looks lopsided, but I think that's just because it's been sitting on its side. This is 30 milliliters, vanilla coconut. That sounds intriguing and nice. You know, I might be tempted to give you 30 milliliters as an ounce. It's not oodles, but yeah, a good trial size. And I bet they have it for sale on the Lovery website, possibly. A little body glitter, and the scent says cherry blossom. Not my favorite scent, yet a scented body glitter. Normally, we just get a body oil that doesn't have any scent, so I gotta give them a plus on that one. We have a lip balm in coconut cream. Ooh, that sounds nice. Yes. I'd probably give you $3.13 for this. How much is the size? 12 milliliters. Okay. Not huge, but a decent amount to work with. We have a hand cream and a body lotion. These were separate days, but they are both in the lotion department. The body lotion is almond milk and honey, 15 milliliters, and the hand cream is coconut, 15 milliliters. And I'm looking at them. I can't see the red one. The white one looks like it's about halfway full. I was looking at it through the ring light. So, again, not oodles yet, enough to give it a try. $3.13 each. Yeah, I might. Not the almond one because I'm allergic to it, but that, you know, could happen in any box. Yeah. And nice holiday scents. We are halfway through the box. I mean the advent calendar. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing to our channel. We have lots of fun things going on over here, both in the advent season and during the regular year. Did you see something that you liked? Let me know, because I'm an inquiring camel. And now, moving right along with this video. This next item, I'm going to pop up a picture. I've got it in a baggie so that it doesn't fall apart. It is absolutely precious. Oh, it's too stinking cute. Apparently, it is soap. So you can put that in your bathtub and it will disintegrate into a soapy bubble bath. Oh, it's precious. It's too stinking cute. Yeah, I'd give you $3.13 for that. Oh, those are bath salts. I can hear them. They are in the scent of lavender, so it will be something that I will be passing along. Yet, neat idea. You don't see these too often in advent calendars or subscription boxes for that matter. We have what looks like 2 bath bombs. Or the green one might be some type of a soap. We're really not sure. The print is too tiny to read. But in any case, yes, there's sort of filler items, but I'm not going to knock it. Would I give you $3.13 for them? Probably not, but they are nice items to get. This says it is a bath soap. It's in the scent of lavender, so not our favorite, yet, hey, a solid bath soap. What's that? A pumice stone. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm tickled to get a pumice stone, and it comes with a little thing so you can hang it up so it can dry properly. I'm tickled with this because I'm in need of one. My feet are going to be very happy to see this item. I'd give you $3.13 for it. A 30 milliliter, which is 1 ounce, lavender hand wash. Oh, that's interesting. A white rose body wash. Oh, that really tickles my fancy. A tea tree body scrub. Oh, that's nice too. That'll be good. Not that I want anyone to get a cold, but the scent of that would be good if you had a cold or a stuffy nose. Valid point. 15 milliliters of red rose face wash. 1 ounce of honey almond shampoo. Ooh. And the last item is Cherry Twinkle Bell Merry Christmas bubble bath in 1 ounce. Oh my goodness. I might never come out of the bathtub. You'll shrink. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what she likes to do. By the way, did anyone see anything that they liked? I really liked the last half. I enjoyed the whole thing, actually, except for a few items. Let us know what you saw if you liked something. Okay, so nitty-gritty. First of all, I have got to say, this was much improved over a calendar that I unboxed by them. I don't know if it was last year or the year before. I can't remember. Maybe it was the year before that. I honestly don't remember. I just remember the last one I did by Lovery, I was not impressed at all. So this one was much improved. We got ours at an outlet for $75, meaning $313 a day. If you went to Nordstrom, they wanted $100 for this. What would I do differently? I would skip the bubble bath because you already have a bath bomb and do a conditioner to go with this shampoo. I would skip that nail file and give us a cuticle cream. Doesn't have to be a big container. You don't need much. And I would definitely also skip the mirror and maybe do a second bath bomb. Overall, would I give you $313 for each item individually? No. But for the majority of them, yes. This was a much improved calendar over the last one that we did. Thank you for taking the time to watch. We appreciate your time. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with others. We're trying to build up this channel. Hope to see you soon. I want to take a bath. Okay, you can take a bath. Oh, goody.